Now my stomach is so much burning and paining. Oh, so new and beautiful. How many people? कितना है भैया? कितना है? It's like Thali, na? It is nice now. In the afternoon it was so hot. नमस्ते दोस्तों, आज मैं जा रही है Japanese garden. So I am alone. Bhagwan is not with me. I am going to meet one of my Indian friends. With my friend also and Bhagwan's friend also. And let's see, maybe I will record some videos for you guys to share my experiences of being alone. Because I don't know that much things about here. That's why Bhagwan was saying to me, go outside alone to get more experiences, to know the people and process of payment and everything. So I think within 2 minutes I will reach. But my friend already reached 10 minutes ago. I am a little bit late as I was talking to one of my friends at home and recording some videos for YouTube and Instagram. Suddenly I saw it's late. So much traffic also is there. So now I'm going and I will share videos outside of some videos. I don't know where we want to go. We just to meet each other in near Japanese garden. So guys, I reached here. I am waiting for my friend. I don't know where is she. She said she reached, but I don't know where she is. So some people are here, street vendors, they are selling different things. And over here we have pani puri, my favorite. Let's see what we can eat. We didn't have lunch also. Let me show you guys this pani puri shop. कितना है भैया? कितना है?
30 rupees.
Let's see what we can try. I don't know about cleanliness also. So guys, this is called dabeli. I like so much, but it's not that good for health. I think they put color on it. Anar and I love Indian food. So many different things. So guys, my friend came.
So are you comfortable?
Yes, thank you. I don't know anything about bike also. Because you know in Iran, bike is illegal for women. They cannot drive.
Oh.
Only car. Owner says in my hand. We are going to eat something. So guys, we just reached. It was a new experience for me. Me and Bhagwan fear so much from bike and having bike. I was a little bit scared, like what if something happened, like accident or something. And we are so hungry. Let's go. This is the board that I don't understand anything from it. You have to go upside. It's looking like hospital because of here. Let's see. She's saying she heard about here. Let's see how it is. How many people? I'm shocked. I think till next year we can go inside. Guys, देखो. How many people? 15 minutes we have to wait to go inside. No, you sit. So guys, as I heard from my friend, she's saying here It's like this. There's no specific place to sit. They'll just come like big restaurant, or you can say like marriage, and they'll serve people. We have to pay first.
It's a coupon thing.
I will pay.
No.
What is this?
1,800
This one I never saw. I don't know.
received on parsi.
And which type of food they have?
दो 900
Online payment.
किती 1800
We have to choose what are the...
They will come and they will ask you if you want it. It's like in a wedding.
I have to pay you. Okay. Where we can sit? एक minute. So smart. Oh. I feel so hungry by watching this. Oh. It's like Thali, na?
You get to like try everything.
So good. I like to try everything. I think this one's sweet. Let me see. Thank you.
ये अनलिमिटेड है क्या? लिमिट में रहता है खाने में अनलिमिटेड रहते हैं कि कैसा रहता है?
Pakoda. I think I didn't record.
फ्री अभी
Modak. It's sweet or food?
It's the what you make on Ganesh Chaturthi. Sweet.
So guys, we just finished our food. I tasted different things. It was like thali, you can say. Everything we could taste, how much we want. And but girls cannot eat that much. It's so good option for boys to come and eat everything here. Also, one thing I want to mention is that I didn't know what this was, so I was just trying everything. One of the things I tried was pakora, and 2-3 they gave me pakora. One of them I tasted was good. Second one I ate, it was so spicy. So means now that I'm talking, my stomach is so much burning. After tasting that pakora, I was not able to eat anything. I think mirchi was inside. It's like full mirchi. Because when I was biting, I was like, everyone else was there. I could not remove also from my mouth. So after that, I was not able to eat anything. Now my stomach is so much burning and paining. Weather is so hot, and now we are going to Shenwada. It's 9 minutes away from here. So let's see. I have never been there. Let's see how it will be. So guys, now we came to Shenwada. As you can see, so many people are here. I think because of Sunday. Let's go. I never came here before. I have never been here. But I went to Sinhagat Fort. I think it's similar to this. But I came here. Ah, I know here. I don't know, I thought I didn't come here, but I remember 2 times I came here to Shaniwara. One time with my mom, and once at starting when I
It
came.
was recent, then your mom was here recent.
Yes. I just remembered by watching here. I think it is near MG Road, na?
It's close, but not very close.
So many people are.
Butter.
हाँ? कितना है भैया? friend is going.
Right?
I think we should have taken bike here only.
I don't know, I thought it would be full.
So guys, I think after 2-3 weeks again I came here. Last time I came here, but I was not remembering name of Shaniwarwada. When she said, I was like, I think I know this place, but I didn't go there. But once we came here, I understood I've been here before. Now we have to get the ticket online and we'll go inside. After that, maybe we'll go again outside and we will explore. So guys, now we have to go inside. We are standing in line and we got our ticket online. So beautiful. Last time we came, it was more hot. So guys, we came near MG Road. We saw one shop randomly here and we want to try sugarcane juice. Let's go. कितना है भैया? हाँ? Don't there. I got my sugarcane juice. It's so sweet. Also, it's clean. This place is clean.
I mean, they know that I can't go any further than that. Why are they?
We just had our sugarcane juice, and where we are going?
Swargate Metro Station.
Swargate Metro Station. Weather is nice now. In the afternoon it was so hot.
Where's my metro app?
So guys, we decided to just come to Pune Metro and to take ticket online. So we don't know where we will go. But I have never been in Pune Metro. In Mumbai? No, in Delhi I went. In Delhi I went, but here no. It's looking so nice and clean. Oh, so new and beautiful. Metro. Here, no? Where we can?
Number 2.
See here, we can see.
See there. See, they put that mirror inside it. ये कौन सा है? Civil code.
Huh?
See, we have. This thing is in English and Malayalam.
So guys, we are searching for platform number 2 to go. Suddenly we saw these shops here. Let me see what they have. Oh, they have perfume, agarbatti. Oh, eating things. Have you tried this one before? No, it's mango, but it's like salty
Pickles.
mango. No, not pickles. It's like dry mango with mirchi and namak. So tasty. भैया ये कितना है?
180 का है। Is there?
देखो। I want more. Thank you. You want? Really? Try.
No, I don't want. I'm feeling.
एक दिया